Hello everyone, welcome back to CCNA Learner YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to create the policy allow from the LAN to DMZ on the Palo Alto network. So you need to go to the policy and then add new policy. So you can give the name of the policy. The right here I use the allow LAN to DMZ. Yes, this is the policy. And you can put the description about the policy. Okay, the description allow LAN to DMZ. DMZ, sorry. Yes, about the source, right? About the source, you need to click add button and then you select the zone LAN. And about the source address, right here you need to put the IP address that you want to allow. So the right here, this is the zone LAN. Yeah, zone for PC client access to DMZ. Right here you can allow by specific source address, or you can allow by full slash of slash 24. And for source user and source device, I leave default, it means any. And for the destination address, right? So the destination address is DMZ, and then the destination IP. Yes, right here you can specify the destination IP address of DMZ, or you can allow full slash of destination DMZ slash 24, right? And then for the action setting allow, and the log session is log the session, and this means allow the firewall log the session. Okay, after that you need to click OK. So the policy we have created, and then you need to commit to push the configuration change to the firewall. So you can wait some time, and then the configuration post is complete. So right now you start to ping from the Windows PC or Windows client, ping to the DMZ zone. Right here I use the Windows 10 client to ping to the DMZ zone, right? Just start log into the Windows 10 PC. A bit slow. So you open the command prompt. Yes, right here I will show the IP address that I have configured on Windows 10 PC. This is the IP address that I configured. Yeah, this is the LAN, zone LAN, right? And right now I start ping from LAN to the DMZ zone. Okay, you can start to ping. And the IP right here is the IP DMZ zone. Please wait some time. Yes, the ping is reachable. So this means LAN client can ping to DMZ. So this means that our policy that we have configured is correctly, right? So we can check the log after we ping to make the traffic. Then we can check the log for detailed information about the ping, what is the zone ID and source address and destination address. We can check detail right here. You can go to monitor and then traffic log and then traffic. Yeah, right here for general you can session ID and ping, right? Application ping and policy rule allow LAN to DMZ and then you can see the specific time of the ping session. And for the source, yeah, the source is the source IP of the Windows 10 client, and then zone LAN interface Ethernet 11, and destination address is the IP address of DMZ zone, and then use Ethernet 1 and 3. That's all from me, and thank you for watching. See you next video.